Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I'm here with Daisy, whose earring's funny. And she's sitting here in her cute little train print. That is embroidered by machine by Terry Sample. And I got this, look at his little bows. Let me just show off this dress again. Isn't this the cutest? Oh, I just love it, Terry. Anyway, I haven't changed her out of it. She hasn't even gone for a bike ride because I don't want her dress to get messed up. But we're here today because we're doing Doll Joy Lys's challenge to make miniature books. Now, I think it was to do 3. I got 2 done. I was working on a 3rd one, and it really went bad. My craft glue did not dry clear like it always does, but I have 2 to show you. And this is Daisy's little journal. And what I did is I cut my paper smaller than the cover. And then I used my sewing machine to put the spine in the little book. After I had done that, I cut the paper together. Otherwise, it doesn't, it's not, what do you call it, flat, even? I don't know. Aligned, there you go. Well, it was aligned. It was, you know, laying one inside the other. Anyway, that's what we did for her little journal. And then I found this at a garage sale for $1, and Allison knows that she would not have left this either. It's just too cute. Look at the pages. They each have that softly printed on there. Oh, somebody used this. Softly on their horses. I love that. I think I'm going to use this for myself. And, you know, when you just need a couple things for Walmart and you write them down and then tear that out and put it in my pocket. So that is what I have today for Lys's collab. Please go to Lys's channel and get the hashtag. I don't know it at the moment that I'm filming. And go see everyone's videos. I know some people were really doing a lot of elaborate work on their little miniature books. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.